Let us see how the reflect invocation exception looks like. I have a project here and I am going to run it. And it runs perfectly. You can see it has only one tab here, named Messaging. That means this consists of only one module. Now we do one more thing. Let's create a custom runtime image for this application. We will close this window, go to build, build artifacts, build. We can see a custom runtime has been generated here in artifacts folder. Now we launch the application. And the application runs perfectly. Now let us add another module to this project. Open project structure. The name of the module is Firebase Product Listener. Apply. Okay. We will instantiate the class from that module and create a tab object and add to the tab pane. Let us import the package. Now we create the custom runtime. Now run the application. So this is throwing an error called error invoking method. Failed to launch JVM. Now let's check why the application crashed. Run the application. In the console, it is showing the cause of the application crash is reflect invocation exception. The, the reflection layer wraps the exception with illegal state exception. The runtime exception is the parent class of all the exceptions of Java programming that are expected to crash or break down the program or application when they occur. Unlike exceptions that are not considered as runtime exceptions are never checked. The runtime exceptions usually shows programmer's error rather than the condition a program is expected to deal with. Runtime exceptions are also used when a condition that can't happen. It should be noted that when a program is running out of memory, a program error is thrown instead of showing it as a runtime exception. Now let's debug the program. It shows that Firebase with name default doesn't exist. It is pointing to a place which shows it is failing to generate the instance. That means the Firebase app is failed to initialize. Let us go to the beginning and initialize the app. Copy the Firebase initialization method and paste in the launcher class. Let's run the program again. This time the program has run without an error. Now let's again run the program. Now you can see that the application is running fine and the two modules have been added to this application with two tabs. This is how the reflect invocation exception can be handled. Now let's create the custom runtime image. As you can see, the application runs perfectly with two modules in it. This is how we can handle reflect invocation exception. Thank you.